In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email composing format in Microsoft Outlook. This is a useful setting to understand, especially if you want more control over how your emails look when they're received. Whether you prefer a clean, simple layout or a more visually styled message, Outlook gives you the flexibility to choose what works best for your needs. To begin, open your Microsoft Outlook application and make sure everything is fully loaded. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner, where you'll find the Settings icon. This is usually represented by a small gear symbol. Clicking on it will open a panel that contains various customization options available within Outlook. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Mail and select it. This section is where all your email-related configurations are managed. After entering the mail settings, find and click on Compose and Reply. This area controls how your messages are created, formatted, and sent. As you scroll through the available options, you'll come across a setting that determines the format of your messages. This is typically presented as a drop-down menu where you can choose between HTML and plain text. Selecting HTML allows you to create emails with richer formatting, including styled text, colors, and embedded elements. This is ideal if you want your messages to look more polished or visually engaging. On the other hand, choosing plain text simplifies your emails by removing all formatting. This option is often preferred for its compatibility, especially when sending messages to recipients using different email platforms or devices that may not fully support advanced formatting. Once you've decided on the format that suits your needs, make sure to save your changes. From that point forward, any new email you compose will automatically use the selected format, helping you maintain consistency in your communication. Before wrapping up, keep in mind that it's a good idea to revisit these settings from time to time. Depending on your situation, you might find that switching formats improves how your emails are received and understood. It's also helpful to consider how your messages appear on different devices, particularly when using HTML formatting. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.